everyone, it's Kitty and welcome to my KittyART channel. In this video, I'm going to draw a cute little kitty who is sleeping on her beautiful bed with shining stars and moon. Let's draw together. At first, I'm going to draw Kitty's head. Let's draw a cute bow on her head. Here I draw Kitty's closed eyes because Kitty is sleeping, and her hands. Here I draw a blanket which she has blown away. We will not make noise because Kitty is sleeping. Let's draw her bed. Kitty's bed is much pretty and comfortable. Here I am going to draw a cute little table. And here is a fish bowl in which has fish. Fish's name is a Chicky. Haha, nice name. On this side, we will draw a big lamp. First I am drawing here lamp shade. Let's draw here walls of the lamp. Here I draw a cute sleeping moon. Let's give him a pretty smile and a cute eye. Here I draw some shining stars. Moon and stars look so cute when shining in the sky. Now I am going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. It's time to paint. I color her skin with pink paint. Then I use green for her bow. And orange here. Our blanket is purple, so that's why I'm using here purple paint. We will use yellow paint in this part of the bed. Let's fill this part of bed with red paint. Kitty's bed is in two colors. First we did the yellow and now completing with red color. Hooray! I use purple color for Kitty's table. I'm using here pink. That's blue color in fish bowl. Chicky's color is orange, like gold. Here I'm using yellow. Let's color the lamp's vase with green. And start coloring with orange in lampshade. There are 4 sections of lampshade. I'm using pink for first section. Paint for second section. I'm using here brown. And here I'm using blue paint. Now let's color the moon and stars. I use yellow paint. Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel. And I will mention top 10 subscribers name in my next week's video. Thank you. Bye bye.